kaching penlongi tamasa paper na kubenta ki Samla puli kalong ru kawai kubenta barangkam ka puli pthi khnang baki Samla ki laban pani ki sap ki phong baki don bat kumta haka khalai trik unai wiang ajapsan ka College for Teacher Education PGT College Shillong kala penha perdana ka College Week ka balas dang adu ka pratrik unai wiang ajapsan haka bala penlongi program paper baro istiyo lenter Hagani sngi lawan meni shimanta do ba Strongpillar kharjana MDC ga mokhar panthor umkhra but chairman ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC kum kongsan harangkar ka chingidan lang dr bahun lang tron principal ka college kinohi kai ki Samla puli nalor kiwe pat na samri khusnam shi ki Samla balong ki nongchop hagi jingle kai paper nalor ka chimpur ko buram yu mali ubla rem tam ka college bol blosong thai no na kam Habai jingkran nak ni jinglang nagaliang ka Dr. Bahun lang tron kala ong bak jingpen long ke College Week kam dei tang na bantai ki khna bakin long ki nong job henre ban aila di Samla bakin la ban pedi ki sap ki phong baki don haki babun ki liang.
The College Week usually we have a series of events and activities, and in respect of this, I'm very happy to be here at this closing function to witness the closing of our College Week, which has been themed as Celestia 2025. Now, throughout the week, we have witnessed the organization of various activities, right from the sports activities, especially the outdoor activities, the literary activities, as well as the social cultural activities. So, standing here, I would like to congratulate to all the winners of the different activities, but nonetheless, for all those who have not won a medal or a prize, I also congratulate you, because this College Week has not been organized only to allow students to win medals or to win prizes, but to showcase their talents, their abilities, their skills, their creativity, everything. It serves as a platform for you to showcase whatever ability, whatever talent that is there within you. So, at the same time, I also want to emphasize on the importance of having or holding these activities, especially in an institution like ours, being a teacher education institution, because it is not all about participation, but it is about learning from these activities. So here you are supposed to learn how to organize these activities, how to run the activities, how to communicate, how to collaborate, such that all the activities run smoothly. So this journey of Celestia 2025, the 5 days program, exemplifies the broader vision that the college has to shape and to nurture individuals who are prepared not only for entering the teaching profession, but also to take on various roles in society. Now we have seen the example here. Although we have trained, but Strong has entered this college, joined the college to get trained as a teacher. But then gradually he landed, and now ultimately he is in politics. So here in our institution, we prepare individuals for future roles, not only in the field of teaching, but to also play important roles in the different aspects of society and the community. Now, my dear students, let me again congratulate all of you, each one of you, for your participation and your spirit. Now, let us remember that this College Week was never just about competition. I repeat again, it is about learning. Now, through these series of events, it has helped you discover. I think many of you may not know that you know how to dance, how to sing, how to draw, how to paint, how to even play, isn't it? But through these series of events and activities, you have managed to discover what you're good at. Alright? So I urge upon each one of you to take back whatever you have learned from these 5 days of the co-curricular activities that has been organized for you all.
Nagaliang ba Strongpillar ulang bukum kisamla kideban buram mila kino hikai ba kumta ka buram kan sawan hakaching im jungki ru kumjo nalor kata ulang ru ba haka jinglong Briew amla ban yo jingjop marway nre dongkam ka jingkrshan jungno re jungno bat ban Kyntu kisamla puli ba kideban Shaniah Briew badan ya Jingthmu ba hakaching im jungki.
Teachers will be teachers. Same thing it will apply to you students. Remember, honor your teachers and thy life will be honored. Like you have sung in this few moments about a song, Lean on Me. It is quite a song. It is a song of inspiration indeed. Because we as human beings, we need somebody to lean on. Remember, as long as we live on this earth, we cannot go alone. You cannot live in isolation. You cannot achieve anything alone. But we need somebody. We need someone. If not a human being, I hope you will lean on one person, that is God. So each and everybody needs someone to lean. But remember to lean on somebody who is the right person. Because if we failed to see and mystically we lean on somebody else who is not fruitful to your life will be in shambles. So I would like to say to you all on this moment, please lean yourself on somebody with a purpose in your life. A very, very good evening indeed.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.